Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge is still pulling back, or let's say in its correction, yeah, and it looks like a healthy way forward at the moment. I'm on the daily chart right now. As explained in the last video, we are expecting here a wave 4. We were still hovering above support. I think it was already reached a few days ago. Now we have a more healthy wave 4 also here on the daily chart. Until yesterday, we didn't really see much of a pullback there. Now we see a bit of a pullback. That's healthy as long as we're holding above the 50% retracement of that third wave rally, and that is at 25 cents, because any break below that 50% retracement would typically indicate a lot of weakness and would challenge the overall upside continuation thesis, at least more directly. We could then already be in the larger wave 4 with support at 19.7 cents. Below that, it will, however, get difficult to maintain a directly bullish outlook for now. This move up looks kind of impulsive in this C wave of wave 3, with this C wave here and this C wave. So the idea is we formed a leading diagonal in this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a small wave 2. We're now in a third wave, which could get one more high, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. I would assume this wave 4 could be quite shallow, just because the wave 2 down here is quite shallow as well. But we'll have to see how it all develops. I mean, again, microstructures are subject to change, but overall the levels so far have guided us well. The idea is next support is 34 cents, so we are still holding even above the highest support level within the zone at 34 cents. The next one is 28.8, and then 25 cents is the lowest one in this wave 4 wave degree Fibonacci zone. One more high could send us to 48.4 and even 59.6 cents, maybe even 84 cents. Those are the next upside levels to watch. Then we could still get a wave 4, wave 5. And if things progress like this, I would assume the price could, in the coming months, reach $1.30 to $2.11. I'm very open to upside extensions, but for now, I find this is quite a realistic target range. Now, let's also take a look at the shorter time frame charts. So I'm now on the 1 hour chart, and you can see we discussed yesterday the potential for either a wave 4 triangle or here a direct move down in an ABC structure. It seems to be price seems to be taking the direct path down, which is again not a problem as long as we are holding above the 25 cent level. We need a little bit more structure to really work with it, but it is, it's maybe even possible that this B wave was actually a triangle, right? So then an A and then be some kind of a messy triangle, but I find that a bit speculative. Overall, it seems like this C wave is progressing well. And we could also add a Fibonacci target area on the chart, like Fibonacci extension area. We'll see if the price is going to react to it. Those are just some additional, let's say, micro levels to watch here in the upper half of the support zone, which is defined between 34 and 28.8 cents. And then we have some micro levels here, 34 cents, 32, 31, and 29.3. Ideally, it wouldn't break below that blue zone even though it wouldn't be necessarily a problem, but that would be ideal, because then we could also stay above that ideal, 1 second, we would stay above that ideal 38.2 retracement, which is again typically an ideal target for a fourth wave. So absolutely healthy correction for now, nothing impulsive to the downside. We have overlapping structures. That's what we want in a pullback. And should we get above the last highs here, specifically the B wave top at 43.7 cents, but maybe already the previous one could help. 39.4 cents would be an indication that a low has been struck. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Today at 5 p.m. UTC, we have our next member live stream. We're going to talk about the current structures in the market, opportunities, how to deal with the market, what could people do who feel left out, where do I think is the market going to top, when, all this kind of stuff is going to be discussed. There will be lots of questions, and it's going to be at 5 p.m. UTC for members. And I wish you a great Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.